Here we've got an Audi Q7 2016 model. So we're going to do the cabin filter replacement. So what you're going to have to do is go underneath the passenger side dash, take this plastic foam cover off. There is 3 plastic clips, one here, one more on the back and one more on this side. This foam cover just comes right off. And the cabin filter is located in this cover here. So you're going to need the 15 HEX screw to take off this screw here, this screw here, and just unclip the rest and it should all come out. So let me get to the screws. That's one there. On this side. Screw here. And that's 2 screws. And here comes out the cabin filter. It's in a bit of a curved position. So this is the old cabin filter. It's filthy dirty. Take the new one out of the packaging and reinstall it. So place the phone back down. Here's the new one. Just like that. Clip the clips in and just reinstall these 2 screws. Here. And that's the cabin filter installation complete. Just got to put this foam cover back on. Sits underneath here. Very simple. No. Put the clips back in. this side. There you go. That's your cabin filter. Install complete. Thanks for watching and hope this video helps.